All right, group. Let's see how you did. Hope these went well for you. I hope your group did a good job thinking together, supporting each other, sharing ideas, asking questions when you had them. High school will only offer a pottery class next year if, magic words here, at least 15 students sign up. This is a tough one to think about what this means. At least. This is a particularly weird one, actually. So if we think about what that means, if at least 15 students sign up, how many students can sign up for them to have the class? Is 15 okay? It is. Or more is okay. 16 is okay. 17 would be okay. 18 would be okay. All of those would be fine. If 15 students sign up or more students sign up, that is at least 15 students signing up. That's a particularly weird one because it kind of means like 15 or more students have to sign up, but it uses the word least, which sounds like less, but it's actually more. It's one of those things where you have to like understand the situation, not just like look at magic words again and hope that they tell you what to do. So knowing that, it's kind of okay with me. 9 students have signed up so far. How many more students can sign up is the missing value. And so it looks to me like the number left plus 9 needs to be 15 or more. So more, I think it's not an equation. It's not exactly 15 students have to sign up. It's not less than 15. So it's either this top one or the bottom one, and I think in this case 15 is okay. This equal sign down here means 15 is okay. So I think it is that one. However many students are left to sign up plus 9 has to be more than 15 or equal to 15. The words at least were the magic ones. So to get to 15 students, how many more students need to sign up? If 6 more sign up, that'll be 15. That's okay. If 7 more do, if 8 more do, if 9 more do, all of those will be okay. So the number of students that need to sign up needs to be more than 6 or equal to 6, however you wanted to display it. You could do a solution set. You could do an inequality statement. If you did a number line, that's fine, as long as it shows 6 or more. You got it. Or words even, just say 6 or more. That would be fine too. Cool, tough one, I think. Hopefully that one went well. Here we go. John brought a pack of glitter pens to school. He gave 13 to his friends and was left with 11 afterwards. Which equation or inequality could be solved to find out how many glitter pens were in the original pack? All right, so gave 13 to friends, was left with 11 afterwards. Not more than 11, not less than 11, not at least 11, just 11. Sounds to me like that is an equation. He had an exact number left. I don't see a magic word actually in there. I kind of hear, when I read it, I see the word exactly. He was left with exactly 11 afterward. That word isn't there, but neither is a more or a less or an at least or anything like that. So I don't really have a magic word that helped me here. If you want to, like, in parentheses, I could put like exactly. The idea of exactly is in there, even though the word exactly is not. How many pens were in the original pack? Well, if he gave 13 out of the 24 away, he was left with 11. I think I would add the two together, inverse operation, to find out the 11 he was left with and the 13 he got. The original amount in the pack was 24 glitter pens. I hope this idea is getting good for you. The idea of looking at a situation, deciding, should I use an inequality to describe it or model it, or should I use an equation? And if I should use an inequality, which one? What words tell me which situation? I think this is a very, 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 very tough skill. If you look back at those success criteria we looked at, this is into the proficient idea. Can I tell what kind of situation to do? Can I choose the right one? And stuff like that. So far how this day has gone, I did some for you, then you did some with me, kind of like wrote some down and thought along with me. And then you worked on some together. out loud to get, talking is a great way for your brain to organize stuff you learn. So the last thing to do is called you do alone. Now, the final thing when I teach you something this way is you practice them on your own to make sure you can do it. And we do that all the time, and you know what they are and where they are. So last thing to do for you will be your check your understanding questions. One right there. Check your understanding questions. As always, there are questions. One to explain when you get home today, and an answer key as well. So hopefully those go great for you. When you are done. At this time, your computer is going to need to go away. You won't need it anymore, and the sub's going to expect your computer to be packed up and put away. If you finish early, I know this has been a pretty long lesson. You're welcome to read, write, draw, or do work for another class if it does not involve your computer. And hope all is well, and I hope you learned this good. Have a great rest of your day. See you soon.